Hi, and welcome to how to integrate SugarCRM with PBXware video tutorial. Start by logging into your PBXware. Select your desired tenant, and under Settings, navigate to CRM Integration section. Click on Enable option to enable the CRM services, and make sure that CRM type is set to SugarCRM. Next, under API URL, enter your SugarCRM domain name /service/v4/rest.php, and under page URL, enter your SugarCRM domain name. Select the desired log options and click Save button to apply the settings. To make sure that everything is set correctly, you can run a test. Enter your SugarCRM username and password and click the Run button to run the test. If you have entered everything correctly, you will see a success message. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.